In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog on Woocommerce. Because Woocommerce runs on WordPress, you'll create your blog using the WordPress editor, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your WordPress website so you're in the dashboard. On the left side, find Pages. This is where you create a new page for your blog. Click Pages to open the list, then choose Add New Page. A fresh editing screen will appear. At the top, enter a title for your blog. Short and clear works best, something like blog, news, or journal. You can always rename it later and the page address will follow that title, so keep it simple. Now, take a moment to explore the editor. The large area in the center is your canvas, and the panel on the right holds settings for whatever you select. The editor uses blocks, which makes designing easy to control without code. To start adding content, click the plus icon. This opens the block library where you can insert elements such as headings, paragraphs, images, galleries, buttons, and more. If you're adding a photo, you can upload a new image or pick one from your media library. Add descriptive alt text so images are accessible and search-friendly. Type your text directly onto the page. For structure, use a heading block for your page title and subheadings to break up sections. Keeping paragraphs short improves readability. To adjust the look, select any block and use the options in the right sidebar to choose fonts, sizes, and colors. Aim for high contrast between text and background and stick to a small set of brand colors and 1 or 2 type sizes so the page feels cohesive. Feel free to experiment with layout. You can use columns to place text beside an image or add spaces for breathing room. If something doesn't look right, undo and try again. The editor is very forgiving. Before you wrap up, read through your page out loud to catch typos, test any links you included, and make sure images have clear captions where helpful. Keep an eye on spacing on mobile. Generous margins and legible text sizes make a big difference for shoppers on phones. When you're happy with the design and content, click Publish. WordPress will confirm your choice and then your blog page goes live. You can return to this page anytime to update it. Just open it from Pages and click Update after you make changes. That's it. Your WooCommerce site now has a polished blog page, ready for your stories, updates, and announcements.